I'm Pia. I'm from India. I'm a medical doctor by profession, but I've branched into a more integrative approach for my patients, ranging from osteopathy to acupuncture to nutrition, and now my primary interest is in sports medicine. Before I came here, I was looking at a very step-by-step procedure, getting a degree, possibly honing my skills a little bit more. So my experience has been really good. So all my expectations were met. In addition to meeting a lot of other great healers and learning a lot from them, I've also gotten to practice everything I've learned. I think I have become a fan of craniosacral therapy. It's amazing how wonderful and magical that entire line of medicine is. Restoring the rhythm is something which, as an allopathic doctor, was unheard of and sounded like humbug. But having treated my colleagues and having felt it myself, I have to say I am a believer.